Hi, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Katie.
Welcome to our kitchen segment. Today we are cooking a brand, because that's what we do. We wanted to mix things up, pun intended, to get your creative juices flowing and help you make your own brand.
Sounds
Now,
good.
again, you have all the ingredients. I have all the ingredients.
Absolutely.
You have the ingredients. What do you want to cook?
We want to cook up a brand today.
Okay. Now, do you think it matters if we're serving it to a client or to a boss or to someone you just met? Do you cook a little different?
Yes, you do?
Yep.
Yeah.
And you serve it up different, fancy plates, not. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So I have 5 different recipes on how to cook a brand.
Ooh, I like it. I like it.
Mixing it up. Okay, we just start with the basics, with anything. Foundation.
Okay.
A, B, C.
Okay.
Can you guess what they stand for? You know the first one, A.
A. Authenticity.
Benefits.
Benefits,
And
okay.
communication.
Communication.
Okay, so authenticity, we talked about that a lot, just being real,
Real
raw
and
and real. We want to
yeah.
cook organic. We want all the ingredients to work together to create a better whole. And so we already know what that is. So I feel comfortable just skipping over that ingredient. I want to get to benefits.
Okay.
Okay, because if there are no benefits, why do you want to do anything?
Yeah, basically.
Right? There's got to be something.
There's got to be some
what's
kind
in
of,
it for me?
Yeah, exactly.
When I say what's in it for me, I mean the client or the customer.
Right.
Me, because it's not about you.
No.
Sorry. I meant to burst your bubble.
What are you going to do?
Okay. Benefits versus facts. You know the difference?
Yes.
What?
You're going to tell me.
I know. Okay, fact is, so you have a creative side and a logical side.
Okay.
Do you know the difference when somebody's creative and they give you kind of this
Overall,
how are you going to feel? How's this going to improve your life?
right.
Then the logic comes in and says, whoa, Katie, you are going to benefit by getting this and you're going to increase tenfold. Does that mean it? See, it's like the definition.
Yeah.
Snooze alert.
No idea, yeah.
Benefits. How are you going to feel? How is this going to change my life?
Right.
Again, remember we talked about somebody has a problem and you are the solution.
Right.
This creation that we're serving up is the solution to somebody's problem.
Okay.
Okay, so you get where I'm going with this. Different ingredients, different time to cook, different temperature. What is the ultimate goal? The C, very, very important aspect.
The most important, probably.
Communication.
Communication, yes.
You could have all this and that and 10 degrees and tons of knowledge, but if you can't communicate it, what is going to happen?
Miscommunication.
Yeah, and so
Not gonna
communication, like a telephone, you have a sender and a receiver.
Right.
Okay, so again, simple yet powerful ABC.
Yep.
Authenticity, we'll use this bowl since I use benefits, no facts. Let's take those out.
All right.
Okay, facts are not fun unless you are an attorney,
True.
right?
You're right.
Or on a debate maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we're gonna stir it up, whisk it, communicating to the ingredients.
It's got a good start. Good start.
Here, put your.
Little- Nice.
Okay, now you look at consistency, right? When you stir,
Right.
so we have some batter here. So the more cohesive, integrated, and consistent we can make this,
Okay.
the better. The oven's over there. You can't see it. You have to remember. We're only on like a little.
Little box
Yeah.
on YouTube. Yes, I know.
So see, the oven's over there. Okay, so the more cohesive, integrated, and consistent, the bigger you can grow.
Right.
I've never tried a souffle. I don't know about you.
Once.
And it doesn't it
Yes.
expand?
Yes.
Okay, we talked about fluff and puffery. Well, if it's just hot air, it's gonna
Yeah.
deflate.
Right inside the toe.
Okay. So that is a key when you're saying bigger you can grow. Then the art of branding here is, so you have an idea that I'm making something, you don't know what it's going to look like.
Right.
We had a pre-video talk, and I kind of described what I wanted to deliver, what I wanted to communicate at the end. So the closer I can make what I told you to what I deliver,
Right.
the better. Okay, so she's taking away my notes because I keep looking down. I have one last thing. You see, I have that one more thing. Okay, that's all I need my crutch note cards for. So we have perception equals reality.
Right.
Again, the closer what I say and what I do here,
Right.
the closer that matches. When I say here in the kitchen, out there in the world, on the phone, whoever you're communicating to.
Right.
You're got yourself, your presence.
Yes.
You're telling whoever's on the receiving end what benefits they're going to receive.
Right.
How you are the best solution
Absolutely.
out there. That's the conviction. That's where you get the confidence.
Right.
And you get the results.
Absolutely.
And that concludes. Well, we have to wait for the oven to finish cooking, so.
Where's the ding?
Right there.
I know.